Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery in a Toyota Sienna key fob. This simple task requires just a few common items. You will need one new CR2032 coin cell battery, which is widely available. Additionally, grab a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin to help gently pry open the key fob casing. This process is quick and easy, taking only a few minutes to complete. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch or seam along the edge of the casing. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver or a coin into this opening. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. Once a small gap appears, you can often use your fingers to fully separate the two pieces. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment. Make sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. Press it firmly into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the two pieces together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Give the fob a quick squeeze around the edges to confirm it's fully closed. Now, test your key fob's lock and unlock buttons to ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.